Bye, friends! Let's learn and explore!
Oh no!
The rainbow tree is losing its colors. What happened? We're introducing a tellering to train a Tiri.
I will eat feature.
We can trade! The first crystal is in Carrot Valley. Adventure begins! This is a carrot. Catch me to earn the crystal. We found the carrot crystal. Great job! This is a tomato. Is a tomato? Can you help us?
We rescued the tomato.
Thank you! Wow, a giant cornfield.
Find the right path.
We solved the maze!
Awesome!
Whoa, wow! This is broccoli.
Welcome to my forest.
We solved it! We solved it!
Excellent work.
This is a potato.
Catch the rolling potato!
We got it! We got it! Woof, woof! This is a cucumber.
Cross the river.
We found the last crystal. Hooray! Hooray!
We have all 6 crystals.
Let's save the tree. We did it!
Thank you, friends.
Today we learned about vegetables. See you next adventure! And saved the rainbow tree!
Woof! Bye, friends!